Hello, my dear friends. Again, welcome to all of you, my YouTube channel that is Fonda of Chemistry by Krutibash. And now I am going to discuss about the second part of the haloalkane and haloarene based upon your CHSE and CBSE syllabus. That is how the haloalkane and haloarenes are prepared. Now, go through the second part of the video, haloalkanes and haloarene. Let's see.
See the preparation of haloalkanes, how haloalkanes are prepared. The first preparation method is preparation from alcohols. How alkyl halide is prepared from alcohol. The general formula of alcohol you know better than that ROH. RO is the general formula of alcohol. Alcohols are written as a suffix OH and the suffix is OL used for alcohol in the IPC nomenclature. Now we see how alkyl halide is prepared from alcohols. How alkyl halides is prepared from alcohols. You see, when the alcohols are treated with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, it forms alkyl halide. First, we see how it prepare from phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Now, when the alcohol is treated with किसके साथ ट्रीट करेगा ना, phosphorus trichloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous aluminum trichloride, it forms alkyl halide as the main product. Alkyl halide. Now we can write this reaction as a symbol ROH plus PCl3 in presence of AlCl3 aluminum trichloride, then it forms RCl plus H3PO3. It means when one alcohol is treated with phosphorus trichloride in presence of aluminum trichloride, it forms alkyl halide as the main product. You can write this reaction. From this reaction you can write the theory. How you can write the theory? See, this is alcohol, this is phosphorus trichloride. You can write when alcohol is treated with phosphorus trichloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride, then this is the reactant side. So you write when alcohol is treated with phosphorus trichloride in presence of aluminum trichloride, this reaction is processed in presence of aluminum trichloride. So you write anhydrous AlCl3 is the catalyst, or this reaction is carried out in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. तो क्या फॉर्म करेगा ना, फॉर्म्स अल्काइल हालाइड, देन इट फॉर्म्स alkyl halide. This is the theory of the reaction. If you remember the theory, you can write this reaction. If you remember the reaction, you can write this theory from these reactions. This is the preparation from phosphorus trichloride. Now I see the preparation. I am taking an example that I am taking R as CH3. Then this reaction will be CH3OH plus PCl3. It forms CH3Cl plus S3PO3. CH3OH is the methanol. CH3OH is the methanol. And it forms methyl chloride, or we can name it as chloromethane. Chloromethane. This is the preparation from alcohol. First preparation is from PCl3. Likewise, the second one is from PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. How alkyl halide is prepared from phosphorus pentachloride? And like this, when the alcohol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, then it forms alkyl halide with the release of phosphoryl chloride POCl3 and HCl. This is the alcohol. The general formula of alcohol is ROH, and it forms alkyl halide means RX, and POCl3 is phosphonyl chloride and HCl. Now you see, you can write the theory of this reaction like this. When alcohol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, it forms alkyl halide and phosphonyl chloride and HCl. You can write this theory of this reaction. आप ये भी theory लिख सकते हैं इसके जैसा जो ऊपर लिखा है, क्योंकि आप ये reactant साइड में है तो आप लिखेंगे when alcohol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5, it forms alkyl halide. ये product साइड में है, it forms alkyl halide with the release of phosphonyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. This is the total theory of this reaction. Let's take an example of this reaction, phosphorus pentachloride. Let R will be C2H5 from ethanol. How we prepared alkyl halide, that is C2H5OH plus PCl5, then it forms C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. This is phosphonyl chloride. This is alkyl halide means ethyl chloride, as the reactant is ethanol. This is ethanol. You can write this reaction when ethanol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, it forms ethyl chloride with the release of phosphonyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. This is the example of this reaction. Next, third one is from thionyl chloride means SOCl2. So when the alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride, it forms alkyl halide with the release of sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid, means ROH plus SOCl2 gives forms RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the alcohol, this is the alkyl halide. For taking an example, we can take R as a CH3. Then this reaction will be methanol CH3OH plus SOCl2. It forms CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the reaction. You can name this reaction. This is methanol, this is methyl chloride, this is the overall reaction process. Now alkyl halide is prepared from SOCl2. By using SOCl2, alkyl halide is prepared. This is the overall process. Now see what happens when another one is reaction with halogen acid. This is known as halogen acids. This is called as halogen acids. What happens when alcohol is react with halogen acids? What happens when alcohol is react with halogen acids? See this reaction. If alcohol is treated with halogen acids in presence of zinc chloride and heated, it forms alkyl halide with the release of water molecule. Now you can see an example how it reacts. First we write the general reaction, that is ROH plus X means HCl, you can take HBr, in presence of zinc chloride and heated, it forms RCl plus water. This is the reaction. This is alcohol, this is alkyl halide. Now you can take another example, that is ROH plus HBr, in presence of same reagent, that is zinc chloride and heated, it forms RBr plus water. This is the reaction. You can take X as chlorine, X as bromine, X as iodine, any halogen atom. So we can take an example of this reaction. Take an example of this reaction, that is example of this reaction. You can take R as CH3 and X as chlorine and also as bromine. If I write CH3OH, that is methanol, is treated with halogen acid, let's take HCl, in presence of zinc chloride and heated, it forms CH3Cl Cl with the release of water molecule. This is methyl chloride or chloromethane. You can write this reaction as when methanol is treated with hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride in presence of ZnCl2 and heated, it forms methyl chloride. Another example, you can take CH3OH plus HBr in presence of same reagent, that is zinc chloride, and heated, it forms CH3Br plus water, that is methyl bromide. You can take also here as zinc bromide, ZnBr2. This is the overall process preparation of haloalkanes. This is the preparation of alcohol from alcohol, that is alkyl halide prepared from alcohol. Now the second preparation method is from hydrocarbons, means it contains from alkenes How alkyl halide is prepared from alkanes and alkenes. The first method is from alkane. How alkyl halide is prepared from alkane. Now when the alkane is treated with chlorine or bromine in presence of sunlight, means UV light, it forms alkyl halide. So you can take an example of this reaction as I am taking an example of butane, means CH3 CH2 CH3 plus chlorine in presence of UV light, then it forms CH3 CH2 and Cl plus with the release of HCl. This is alkane and this is alkyl halide. This is the preparation of alkanes from alkyl halide by using sunlight, means UV light. In the presence of UV light, alkyl halide is prepared from alkane. Now the second preparation from hydrocarbon is from alkenes. How alkyl halide is prepared from alkenes. Now this is alkyl halide prepared from alkenes by one rule, that is Markovnikovs rule. I hope all of you read this Markovnikovs rule in the 11th course, that is alkenes property, the property of alkene. All of you know about the Markovnikovs rule. Markovnikovs rule tells that the halogen atom means the X atom, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine. The halogen atom of a halogen acid means HX. ये HX से जो हालोजन आटम रहेगा, जो रहता है हालोजन आटम, वो किसको अटैक करेगा ना, जो कार्बन चेन है अल्कीन में, जो कार्बन चेन है, जो डबल बॉन्ड चेन है, जिसमें से लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आटम अटैच होगा, लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आटम containing कार्बन आटम, containing कार्बन आटम, जिससे सबसे कम हाइड्रोजन आटम अटैच होगा, जिस कार्बन को सबसे कम हाइड्रोजन आटम अटैच होगा, वही कार्बन आटम को ये हालोजन ग्रुप अटैक करेगा. दिस हालोजन आटम इज अटैच्ड टू द लेसर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आटम containing the carbon atom. Now let's take an example of this halogen acid and the Markovnikovs rule. Let's take an example of Markovnikovs rule, that is, we can take an example of propene. How alkyl halide is prepared from propene by Markovnikovs rule. According to Markovnikovs rule, that is, the structure of propene is CH3 bond CH double bond CH2, and the halogen acid attack, that is HCl. So here the lesser number of hydrogen atom containing carbon atom is this atom. So the halogen atom attacks to the lesser number of carbon atom and it forms CH3 CHCl bond CH3. Let's see the mechanism of this Markovnikovs rule, that is CH3 bond CH double bond CH2 plus HCl. If we break the HCl, it gives H plus ion and it gives Cl minus ion. If we break the double bond, then this ion contains a radical and this ion contains a radical. So according to Markovnikovs rule statement, the halogen group is attached to the carbon atom containing lesser number of hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom attached to this place. Then this reaction will be, here the halogen atom attack, that is CH3 bond CH bond Cl, halogen group is attached, and here one bond breaks, double bond breaks, means this is single bond. Next H attach, CH H H, this is alkyl halide, and this is the Markovnikovs rule. Means according to Markovnikovs rule, the halogen atom of the halogen acid is attacked to the carbon atom containing lesser number of hydrogen atom in the carbon carbon double bond चेन. जो अल्कीन होगा वो अल्कीन में जो कार्बन आटम सबसे कम नंबर हाइड्रोजन आटम लेता होगा, कंटेन करेगा, जो कार्बन आटम सबसे कम नंबर हाइड्रोजन आटम, वही कार्बन आटम को अटैक करेगा हाइड्रोजन आटम. दैट इज मार्कोवनिकोव्स रूल. मार्कोवनिकोव्स rule. So this is all about the preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon chain. This is all about today's video. Please like, share and subscribe more and more. Next, in the next video, I am taking another some preparation of alkyl halides and some name reactions regarding haloalkanes, and the preparation over. Next class we will discuss about the properties, physical properties and chemical properties of haloalkanes in the next video. Please share all the videos regarding your chemistry chapter and share all to your friends and to your juniors and tell them to subscribe. Thank you all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy.